Welcome to Katiklan Jetty World.
Shy shy. So shy shy.
What is going on, man? Finally, made the workout. Hey, my man Dave.
Hello. How are you?
Wow.
Welcome to Katiklan Jetty World.
I need change.
Do you have 100?
I have 100, yeah.
Tama ba?
Alis isa nito.
So,
So, you owe 200.
what's that?
Don't worry about it. You want me not? We're all good.
Okay na.
Alright, all good.
Oh, we're good? Just got hit with the skin tax of 300 in Boracay. Right there.
I wonder if I can buy one of these in Ontario. Oh, you can just drive around this thing. I feel like a Friday night in Boracay is probably gonna be pretty wild.
Yeah, most likely. Is today Friday or
It's
Thursday?
Thursday. Now, is it like a real party boat, or is it just a boat?
Real party.
So there's a bar on board.
There's a DJ.
Oh, sick.
Okay.
And you can also wear green extra shirts.
Extra shirt?
Yeah.
For what?
You can dive there.
Oh.
All the time. Smart.
We get to go get drunk and go swimming. Sounds like fun. This is it. Oh. Why don't you say grumpy, poor guy?
Sarah, tired?
Angry little elf. All right.
Wow. Hello, how are you? Kumusta ka? We are here in our apartment, sorry, our hotel in Boracay. Finally arrived. It's gonna be pretty sick.
Sick. How are you?
Oh, here's the pool. Wow, incredible.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the, I'm assuming the Red Whale yacht party over there.
The legend
The legend has arrived.
arrived at Boracay. Can you confirm that he is not so sexy? The one and
There's
only.
only one compliment.
And who is it?
So shy.
This one right here. Come on, say hi. No?
So the breakfast is included already in your room rate. So tomorrow we start from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. here at the dining area. Also, the pool is open from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And also, I'll be asking if someone's smoking or vaping. Yeah. Smoking area at the back. That will be in your entrance. That will be the smoking area. No allowed. I mean, in veranda it's not allowed. Also in the room is not allowed. So, and also kindly avoid to stain our linens, most especially the fake tattoos, because instead there has a charges in case to be stain our linens. And also we have a booklet inside of your room that will be the rules and regulations of the hotels. If you have time, you can read it.
It will take 15 days for you to get the refund.
Yeah, I'm sure like 500.
I'll lend you and
I might have, yeah, I have like 400, I'm sure. On cash.
Clean up my cash.
get that back.
There's probably an ATM around here.
Oh, I might have.
Yeah, a
your-
lot.
What's that?
How much you need?
I just need 400.
Ooh, I don't know if I have that. Oh, 400.
400.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. This mango juice here, you said? Oh, that's delicious. Here it is. Boracay, our hotel. I believe it's called Ondis. So, toilet. Got some towels up there. Mirror. Shower. Very nice shower. Very big. Got Sai. She's so shy.
I want to pee, Anna.
Need to pee?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, you go pee while I show the room. Yeah, so here we go. Pretty sweet. Beautiful king size bed. Just gorgeous. I believe this was 180 Canadian per night. Got it for 5 nights. It's a pretty good deal considering what we're getting. So what do we have here? I don't know if this is complimentary or what, but breakfast is included here as well. I believe from 6 a.m. till 10 a.m. And then we have here our balcony. So let's check this out. Wow, incredible. So sweet. So these lower units here, they actually walk right out into the pool. It's pretty sweet. If I was going to get the room myself, oh look, there we got the boss over there. Got him over there sitting down. Dope, eh? Yeah, so this is it. Just arrived in Boracay. It is late here, so we're gonna get out tomorrow and check out some things. We do have some things planned, but this is gonna be more of a chill trip in Boracay. So we'll see you guys soon.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going out to a yacht party in Boracay. Unfortunately, the sky is gray. Since we've been on this trip, pretty much it's been gray the whole time. But yeah, if you see here, the sky is just dark. So I think the last day we're supposed to be here, it's supposed to get sunny. But yeah. Anyways, we're going to go out and make the most of it. So far, Boracay's been awesome. Really, really cool. Yeah, incredible time here. The room is incredible. I think we paid $180 a night Canadian. So that works out to be maybe like 130 or 140 or something US. Yeah, so overall though, great experience in Boracay. I know we took some footage of Kawasan Falls, but I didn't vlog it. I brought my girl with me, so I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I have to kind of walk her through it. But they actually had guides that helped walk people along that maybe, they thought needed help. Even me, I was pretty good to go along the whole thing, but yeah, they still kind of checked to see if I was good. And there's certain spots, like if you're walking in the water, you don't know where there's rocks, and they kind of know where everything is because they've done it so much. The Kawasan Falls was incredible as well. But yeah, this is going to be fun. Boracay, I'm going to take some footage of the yacht party and hopefully the sun comes out. And then over the next few days as well, take some more footage. We only have a couple more days here. And then we're either going to Manila for one more day or we're going back to Davao. The boss actually found a girl in Davao that he really, really likes. So he might want to go back and see her as well. So, which I hope he does. because he's like he fell in love with the Philippines. Crazy. Wasn't expecting him to like it as much as he does. So he's talking about coming back with me for another visit. And when I've probably decided I want to move here in May or June. I love it here. It's great. I don't know. There's certain things like which I'm going to talk about probably in another video at the end of the trip that I don't like. Certain things I do like. But the things that I like outweigh the bad things for sure. So yeah, guys, anyways, we're going to hit up that red whale. I think it's called the Red Whale Yacht Party. We're going to hit that up soon. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a lot of fun.
Hello, ma'am. Red Whale, ma'am.
Say hi to the camera, Sensei. What are you playing over here?
Huh?
What are you playing? What's this game?
That is Blacklist.
It's what?
Blacklist.
Interesting. You excited for your party on the boat?
Yeah. I'm excited to dance.
You excited to dance? Interesting. Just waiting on 3 more people now. Sherry, Dave, and the boss. Before we jump on the boat. Yeah, she marked me up here. She's beating me up. Yeah, she's beating me up in the bedroom. She's crazy.
You did that.
Again.
What? Gonna get going soon. Just waiting on, like I said, Ryan, Dave, Sherry, and the boss to show up. And then, yeah, we're gonna board this bus. This boat. It should be a lot of fun. Say something, Sai.
Hot dog.
Canadian hot dog. Your favorite?
No. Huh?
So that's already been confirmed. You can't take that back now.
Back what?
You already told me. It's your favorite hot dog, Canadian. No taking it back. Pretty cool spot. They're in Boracay. This is a crazy one here, I'm telling you. She's wild. She might look innocent, but far from it.
Hi, vlog. Welcome to my home.
Welcome to the Philippines. Nothing. That's one of the things here. Everybody's selling stuff. It's one of the only things I'm not a fan of here. Everybody's really pushy with selling things, but I guess that's how they make their living, so can't blame them too much, but it's the only downside. Obviously, the other thing too being here, the weather hasn't been the greatest. Hasn't been like super sunny. I was hoping for like a lot of heat, but it is what it is. Still in a beautiful paradise, that's for sure. All right, Dave and Sherry just arrived.
Yeah, he said yes.
Yeah, cutting her close, eh? Did he answer you or?
Yeah.
Okay. Holy fuck, your bruise got way worse, eh? Yeah, that was at Kawasan Falls, right?
Yeah.
Crazy. Waiting on the boss. One more person. All right. I think the boss might miss the boat on this one. Excited to get on there, Sai? You excited for the party? No, thank you. What are you singing? Is that a Filipino song? No. No? You're just singing it in Filipino?
Of course.
In Bisaya?
Mauni akong uyan.
Rate her singing skills. 1 out of 10.
Ah.
All right, here we go. Joining the Red Whale Yacht Party.
Dito ka na ba eh?
Here you go.
Hey, boss. What's up?
What's that? Wait, did you have a message?
What's your step now?
Did you have a message for the vlog there, Sai?
I don't know.
Go to the party boat now, enjoy it. Oh, this is crazy. This thing's super wavy. What a trip. Wavy, wavy.
Hold up, Alan, hold.
Huh? What, hold the rope? You go ahead, hold the rope. You'll be fine. Whoa. It's definitely trippy being on this thing. So cool.
What's your step?
Salamat. Good? Hello. What's up, bro? How's it going? How you doing? Hello, how are you? I'm doing great, great. This is sick. So we get these little booths here. Salamat.
Orange, ice tea, and pineapple. Thank you.
My camera girl.
This is banana chips.
Banana chips? Let's try it. I'll give you a rating, 1 to 10. The flavor is good, but they're not too crunchy. I'd rather them be a little more crunchy. You want to try? What do you think? Good? What do you rate them? 1 to 10? 9? 9, wow. That's a good rating. You know, want some popcorn here? Popcorn's actually pretty good. And we got orange juice, pineapple juice. What was that, iced tea? Was that iced tea? That's iced tea?
Nice.
And then orange juice too, right?
Yeah.
Try the orange juice. The orange juice is really good here. The view here though. Well, this is pretty dope. How sick is this, right? At least I got video of this one because the boss is missing out on this, unfortunately.
Alright guys, alright, so everybody, we are all complete.
8 now, so we're going to start our program here. So, everybody, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. So, everybody, welcome to number 1 Salsa Party Cruise here in Boracay, the Red Whale Boracay. My name is Vincent and your MC for today. Nice to meet you! That's nice. And nice. 1, 2, 3, everybody make some noise. Are you ready? Yeah! 1, 2, 3, make some noise! Everybody, roll the red Jesus for Red Whale Boracay.
Hello guys. This is Alan. No, Master Sexy for now because, you know.
In a count of 1, 2, 3, say, yummy dick with the sign. Okay, ready? Yummy dick with the sign.
You want to do that, don't you?
Yung uyab nga pangit.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Drinks, island life, soaking it all in. This is incredible. Absolutely beautiful out here. Got these seats right here, pretty dope. Got people hitting up the water slides over there. Yeah, moving to the Philippines is definitely the inevitable, that's for sure. Okay, cool. Once I move here, once a month, do things like this. Go to Palawan, go to Boracay, Siquijor, Siargao, all the different places to explore. Maybe even Thailand, Vietnam, because there's so much to do here. It's incredible. Weather is beautiful. Even this, right now, there's like 2 feet of snow back in Canada. I don't have to experience that. That's definitely nice. Boracay, like the other night we went out and ate. I would say we spent maybe $140 between 3 people. We probably had about 12 drinks. We had a pizza, we had oysters, we had, man, what else do we have? We had so many, we had 2 burgers and fries, really quality food too. It was a really nice restaurant. Everything total was like $140. We were talking about how if we were in Miami, that would have cost us like easily or $500. So to be somewhere just as nice, if not nicer, in my opinion. If the weather was nice here, I can only imagine how beautiful it was. Just so cloudy, right? But yeah, just incredible. Like, you got people jumping off this here right now. They're jumping off that platform right there. It's pretty sick on the side of the boat. I think even if I live here, I'd be coming back to Boracay again, doing this experience. I think it's pretty cool. So, you only live once. This is living, for sure. I can only imagine if I didn't do this, like, would have never experienced all these fun things, right? So, if you guys are thinking about it, do it. It's fun. It's worth it. I'm so happy being here. Can't explain it. First day I was here in Manila, even Manila, it was like incredible time. Like, and then Davao after. Davao, there was only a few things I didn't like about it, but Cebu I loved. We went to IT Park, Cebu. It's incredible. Unfortunately, I didn't take the video of the Calabasan Falls. Kind of regret that now, to be honest. But I was with my girl, so I wanted to make sure she was going to be good there. And then when I have to record and then make sure that she gets through fine and everything. But she surprised me. She was actually really, she was willing to do everything. She's a little bit wild like me, so that was kind of good. I know that for the next time. So I probably will go back to Calabasan Falls, do another vlog there, just to show you guys the full experience where I will actually bring my camera. Yeah, and then we went to Mobile as well. Checked out some sea turtles, some sardines. And then obviously we want to go to Oslo in the future, which will be really cool as well. So yeah, overall, haven't been vlogging every day, but that's because I'm trying to enjoy it as much as possible. It's been, part of me is like, I'm on vacation here too. I'm like, I just want to experience it. And I've been doing that. It's been incredible. We've been busy, running like crazy. Boracay is kind of the first time we've had a chance just to sit back and relax. So it's been go, go, go. Sometimes I'm like, man, I'm rushed just to get my stuff together. Seems like there's like no time at all. So time's flying here, unfortunately. I still have a few weeks left, but Boracay only a few more days. And then we're either hitting up Manila or Davao after this right away. And yeah, it's been a great experience overall. I would give the Philippines, other than the weather, a few other things, I'm not going to give it a 10. I don't think there's anywhere in the world where I can rate as a 10, but a 9 out of 10 for sure. Better than anywhere I've been in the world. Happiest I've been just visiting a place. In general, I'm usually a pretty happy person, but I would say this place is calling my name. It's crazy because the boss, I'll end up talking to him after on video about this. He didn't make it to this yacht party. I think he was out drinking late last night, so I think he might have went back to sleep. But unfortunately, I think it's crazy. His opinion on all this stuff changed so much. Like, after maybe a couple days here, I could see it in his eyes. Like, we go to the mall and like the women just like chasing here. They see him, they're like, wow. And they start flirting with him. They start trying to get with him. And it's just different, right? If you're a good, decent looking guy, you're viewed more as a prize here, right? It's like, especially most foreigners coming here are going to be older guys, but come here, it's like a guy in your 30s, maybe late 20s. Even an older guy, I guess, they're still going to be pursued, maybe for different reasons, but like the women, you can see when they see him, they're like, wow, they're attracted. I've had it too, obviously, with some girls, but he's very, he already is very desired back in his own country. Which, some girls same with me, but I think it's the uniqueness. Like, if you're very, very tall when you come here, like, I'm not the tallest guy, but tall, blue eyes, long nose, all that stuff. They love that stuff, right? So yeah, his opinion, he met a girl in Davao actually at a restaurant that we went to, and his opinion completely changed after that. He's been like talking about her like crazy. I've never seen him like that with a girl. I've never seen him talk since he's been single. I've never seen him talk about a girl like that. So it's good to see. I hope I think he wants to come back in May with me. So be a cool experience. But yeah, overall, guys, it's been incredible trip. People, I don't know what people are hating on the downsides, but like I don't really care about the downsides if the positives outweigh the negatives. It's well worth it for me. So anyways, we're gonna enjoy this yacht party. Gonna continue to have our drinks, Also don't party too much often, but when in Boracay, might as well enjoy ourselves, right? So it's gonna be a fun trip. I'm excited. We're gonna do also, when I go back to Davao, we're gonna do some different things. I might check out. Honestly, I loved IT Park. I won't lie about that. IT Park was very convenient. You live in a building. The only thing I didn't like is staying in a building that's so high up. I'd rather stay in like a house. But I'll be honest, you go downstairs and you can get your laundry done, breakfast places, coffee places, incredible choices for food. Food's been amazing here. I don't know, some people say the food's not great. I love the food here, so I don't really know what to say. I just had Filipino breakfast this morning. Absolutely incredible. I can't say enough good things. I don't know what the little things, like I said, I will talk about them. The pros and cons after visiting. But the cons, obviously some of them, like in Davao, that was probably where I seen most of them, where the smell sometimes was brutal with garbage and stuff. I didn't like the pollution, right? Noise pollution I didn't care about. I actually kind of liked how loud it was, because when I was up in my room, I didn't hear it anyway. But the streets, everything seemed so lively and it was loud, but I didn't mind that. It was more the smell that I didn't really like. So anyways, guys, we're going to enjoy this, the rest of this Red Whale yacht party. So I recommend this, just even to chill, right? Today, I'm not feeling like swimming because it's not super sunny. I like when it's really hot, when I swim, but I mean, you got people jumping off this thing. They're enjoying. So I might still do it. We'll see. But yeah.
Where are you from?
Everybody sit down, guys. Sit down, sit down, sit down.
How are you? North Carolina. Oh, nice, man, nice.
Alright, so again, that is all party guys. Everybody to take your seat now. You want more? Yeah! You want more? If you want more, take your seat please.
Shirts.
If you want more, book more. Book more ba? London. Take your seat first, please. I believe you know I'm seeing me.
2 hours
So I
later.
have to make This is my winner before. Alright guys, take your seat. Alright guys. Hello? People of Boracay is listening. Other boat, other yacht is listening. Thank you, right here. Come on, everybody. One more time. More louder. Everybody. Thank you. Say yes. So you guys again, did you enjoy? Alright, since you enjoy, the Red Whale will give one more surprise for you guys.
What's up?
You don't want surprise?
Yes!
Yes, we have one more surprise for you guys! Ah! And our surprise, guys, is... Ta-da! This is our surprise! This time for Red Whale, okay? Guys, I know you will be satisfied. I know you are you did enjoy, right? So, if you really did enjoy, if you're satisfied, please give tip from the bottom of your satisfied heart. Everybody listen! You know what is a satisfied heart? You know what is a satisfied heart? Alright, I just want to inform you that a satisfied heart is a blue heart. Blue! Philippine blue heart, okay? And 4 digits, alright? Okay guys, come on, please give us love. 우리 진짜 즐거우시면 네, 여기 팁 박스 있어요. 네, 팁 주고 싶으면 많이 주세요. 많이 주세요. I'm talking a satisfied heart, a blue heart. Come on, guys. We have your love of the cameras on it right over there. Yes! Thank you so much, India. Wow! Thank you, sir. Alright guys, so thank you for giving us tip guys. That would be a very big help for us. Okay, that tip would be divided by everyone here, including our captain, kitchen crews, and all the entertainers and service crew here. Don't worry, alright? And guys, before we go down, please check all your belongings, okay? And wait, this is very important. For all the pictures and videos I've taken using our phone, you can retrieve it by scanning or taking photo of that red QR code on your table, okay? And scan it sooner or later because we will going to upload it tonight or tomorrow. Yes! And also guys, please do some comments and reviews on our social pages account like Facebook, Instagram, and Trip Advisory, and please give us 5-star, okay? That would be a very big help for us. So this time guys,
What about cashback? Cashback.
ano ba?
Cashback.
You want cashback? We will give you cashback. You understand? You understand? Alright. So everybody, in behalf of Boracay Red Whale Company staff and family, we would like to thank you for joining our cruise today. Hope we exceed your expectations. So thank you everyone. Happy New Year. And you have a good
Couldn't imagine the whole day. That was great. The last hour was crazy. Yeah, the last hour was
Tired.
Party. Lots of party. Lots of fun. Lots of girls. Lots of girls. Lots of fun.
Are you a vlogger?
Vlogger, yes, vlogger.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I just started-
What is your Facebook page? You have Facebook page or
It's YouTube. YouTube.
What is your YouTube?
The Legend of Master Sex.
Oh, it's very hard. Good luck, good luck.
Sure, thank you, man. Appreciate it, man. Daddy's fucked up. Been fucked up for 3 days. 3 long days. But worth every fucking minute of it. Fantastic. Live once. Take risks. Do things that you never thought you'd ever imagine. Live your life. Because you only get one of us. That's it. It's true. I second that. Live your life. Enjoy it. Don't listen to anybody else. People will try to talk you into things like this. And maybe one more thing. Find yourself a Filipino. He's been converted to the Philippines. Been converted. I've been converted. All I want is a peanut. Oh, fine. All he wants is a peanut. Fuck the Western women. Sorry, Western women. But you guys have booked it up. Actually, the guys in the West have fucked it up. Can we hold that shit? Well, we'll ask it on the boat. Got a great question for the legends. The man, the myth, the motherfucking legends. Legend right here. The legend. Yeah. The boss made it to the boat. I thought he was gonna miss it. Boss never misses out on anything. He always shows up. I'd be late. The boat literally went to go grab the boss. They came to get me. Eh? You know I'm the cookie man, right? You know that? Yes. Go your attitude face. Jeez. Do it. This is... Look at this view, though. It's gorgeous. Oh, no, there's like a mountain right fucking there, too. I can never see it because I'm always out at night. So cool, right? It's like a vampire in Boracay. And incredible. Sorry, I've been drinking. What's that, brother? Sorry, I've been drinking. I can barely speak. The legend's a little drunk. The legend is definitely drunk. Nothing wrong with that. You know what? When in Boracay, it's the first time I've actually been drunk. It's true. Sai-Sai is no longer Sai-Sai. She actually wants to sign on the show. She finally wants to show herself off. Wants to show how lucky she is. Damn, legend. Dude, that was fucking hilarious. Oh my god. What part? The part where I had a bra on. A man. Oh, dude. I got that on film, bro. Did you get the footage of that? Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, it was pretty crazy. I mean, I didn't put the man bra on, but the guy definitely came up and tried shaking his chin for, hey, you know what? See, so they told me they come up and dance with the dudes. Yeah. So they don't dance with the girls. Ah. That's respect. Take that. Girls don't come and dance with the girls. Yeah, exactly. That's what it should be. It should be the girls dancing with the girls. The girls who, like, if a girl came dancing there, it'd be kind of, oh yeah, might be fun. But yeah, I came dancing there. Yeah. Fucking cat. Still, do you feel like you have to walk on your tippy toe? I feel like I have to stretch it, and it won't stretch. Salamat po. Watch your head.
Watch your head.
Where are you guys from?
South Korea.
Oh wow.
How about you?
Canada. Toronto. Yeah. Toronto. You guys like Toronto Raptors basketball?
I know that. That's famous hockey.
Hockey. Yeah. Hockey. Yeah. More things to do. Bye. Thank you. Let's go. No.